What's up, guys? Today we're doing the sick challenge. Who can get each other the most sick? I'm sick. Welcome to Team Edge. Today we're doing the sound effect challenge. I'm gonna name a sound and they have to do the sound effect. And whoever gets it right gets a point. Okay, you and J. Fred go first. The first sound I will request from you is a garage door.
A garage door.
Most exciting challenge ever!
Do it, I bet it'll be funny.
I don't even know how one sounds.
You've never heard a garage door open? I think your garage door is broken, dude.
Yeah, you gotta get your garage door checked out, dog.
Gotta
Brian,
grease it. All right.
your turn.
All right. Garage door. Push the button. Beep. That was better than.
No, Joey's was better.
Opening up a soda can.
Okay, I was like making fun of mine, but you know.
All right. Matthias gets that one.
R2D2.
Bloop, 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 bloop.
Wow! Wow!
That's it? I think we know who won that, Brian.
Yeah.
A toilet. Brian.
No, I went first last time.
I don't care. I am the rule creator.
Are you drinking from the toilet?
I'm trying to make a sucking
the
sound because the
straw?
water gets sucked into the. Okay, let's hear yours. That's incorrect because you're blowing and.
Where is the deep end on your? It's like. Jay Fred's won again.
Oh my god!
You both sucked.
Just okay. My turn. An engine starting.
It turned into a dog towards the end.
Matthias.
Yes.
Popcorn popping.
Oh, the sickness is just spreading right there.
I don't even know how to make fun of that one. Matthias totally won that one.
Thunder. Go.
It's gonna be hard. Oh,
That's not my
where did that
sound.
come from?
What?
Oh, Machu Picchu! Yum yum.
I just don't remember
Was
either.
it
of
eating
you.
something? Yum yum.
Can you guys both lose?
I'm good with no points being divvied up.
Okay, who's next?
Starting a drone.
It landed.
Matthias. Whoa.
You took a point. A babbling brook.
I don't know what a babbling brook is.
Who first?
It's a stream. Oh no! I've never been more disturbed in my life. I'm gonna say he wins.
Yes.
You can
I'm
say
the
neither.
best.
You can say neither if they were both that bad.
His was a lot better. It was still bad, but it was.
Bubble was bubbling?
You were making nasty sounds.
He
dude.
said babbling brook.
You're making spreading butter sounds, dude.
Slurping spaghetti. Oh, okay. His was way better. He had like variation and like.
Yeah, dude.
I
Noodle has no variation. It's just a long thing.
No, I pictured him sucking the noodles.
I'm drinking a glass of soda. Yes!
There is no
Soda!
carbonation in your soda? Was
I
it
don't
a
always
completely
And you drank
fried
the whole soda without a burp?
I don't
So
burp.
unrealistic.
Dry buns. Dry chafing buns. He has the beard and the mustache. It's not gonna be good for dry buns, dude. It's just spilled water everywhere. You don't put a lid on it? He smells it all over.
Are you turned on? It was like,
Oh, Brian wins that one for sure.
Yeah!
They
For
were
dry chafing
identical.
buns.
No, they weren't,
Nope.
dude.
guys, if you enjoyed
Guys!
this video, please click like and subscribe because we do videos similar to this every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We play board games.
Hey,
We play
if we
outside.
can't get you to subscribe by saying we do videos similar to this, I don't know what is going to get you to subscribe.
Also, if you guys want to check out the
give you
last
that
video, check it out right there. And we will see you next time. Peace.
I gave you that scar on your hand. Peace.